Hey guys, I'm Matty Hill and welcome to another edition of Ryco CRD Engine Revivals. Today we've got this Mitsubishi Triton in the workshop, and with over 100,000 kilometres of hard work under its belt, it's time to give the engine a bit of a refresh. On today's episode, we'll be cleaning out the intake manifold, fitting up this Ryco Filtration Upgrade Kit, and finishing off with the service with this Ryco Full Drive Service Kit. With the intake manifold off the engine, we can see how clogged up the intake is with just over 100,000 kilometres of workhorse duties. This is an extremely common issue for common rail diesel engines, and if you've got one, you'll more than likely have to deal with black gunk gumming up your intake as well. If left for too long, this build-up can harm the longevity and performance of your engine and lead to an expensive trip to the mechanic. Now, why is this build-up such a common issue with these engines? Two emissions control systems are to blame: the positive crankcase ventilation valve and the exhaust gas recirculation system. These systems create gas that contains soot, hydrocarbons, water vapour and other impurities that build up inside the intake. When the oil vapour from the PCV valve and the soot from the EGR system mix together, they form thick black paste that you see here, clogging up your engine's intake and leading to power loss along with a multitude of other issues. To clean the manifold out, I'm using some good quality intake cleaner and a brush to scrub the intake runners and clear out all the gunk. Once the manifold is nice and clean, we can replace the intake manifold seals and button it all back up. To keep the issue from resurfacing, we'll need to fit a Ryco catch can. We've got a Ryco Filtration Upgrade Kit for this Triton, which includes a Ryco catch can. So that's next on the to-do list. The Filtration Upgrade Kit for this Mitsubishi Triton is the X112R. When fitted, the catch can sits between the crankcase ventilation tube and the intake manifold recirculation inlet. It works by filtering oil from the air that's released by the PCV valve. These impurities are then trapped in the coalescing filter and drip down to the high capacity reservoir where it can be drained later on. When this clean air goes back into the engine and mixes with the raw exhaust gases and particulates from the EGR system, it won't create any of that thick gunk that clogs up your intake, meaning smooth running for your engine for years to come. In the Ryco Filtration Upgrade Kit, you'll also get a Ryco fuel water separator. This is another vital piece of engine protection, working to remove water and other contaminants from the fuel before it reaches the engine. If you're off-roading or touring around rural areas, this is a must-have. In these situations, water and sediment in your fuel is a far more likely occurrence, and if introduced to your diesel engine's fuel system, it can spell disaster. The Ryco Filtration Upgrade Kit comes complete with a vehicle-specific mounting bracket and all the moulded hoses, clamps and fittings required to install the kit neatly and easily into your engine bay. To cap off the job, it's time to give this Triton a full service using this Ryco RSK 53 4-wheel drive filter service kit. This kit includes the correct air filter, fuel filter and oil filter to suit your vehicle. Ryco filters are designed to meet the vehicle manufacturer's performance requirements, utilising Australia's only dedicated filtration laboratory and stringent testing procedures to achieve that goal. This means genuine protection to suit Australia's harsh driving conditions with the added benefit of new vehicle warranty protection. With all of that now sorted, this Triton is ready for many more years of hard work and adventuring. So for more info on Ryco products to suit your four-wheel drive, visit www.rycofilters.com.au or click the link below.